Alright, so GTI is on the lift again because the exhaust keeps giving out. So we're gonna weld some more. Hope this fixes it. Alright, so we welded a new piece on the extension, slotted it in to the old exhaust, and now we're putting a U-bolt. We already threaded the downpipe. We're almost done. We just need to cover the O2 sensor hole because it fell out. So I'm tired of this. I'm just gonna weld it in. We have officially made the GTI drivable without any headaches, since now the cops have no reason to stop us. Yeah! I mean, they still have one reason to stop us.